With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, have a look at the question. Question is, how many molecules of ATP will be generated in Krebs cycle if a molecule of sucrose is completely oxidized and used as a substrate? Options given are 24, 48 to 30. So if we'll see normal Krebs cycle pathway or aerobic respiration, it starts with the glucose. From glucose, two molecules of pyruvic acid is being formed. From glucose, two pyruvic acids, pyruvate molecule are being formed. These pyruvate molecule further form the two acetyl-CoA. These form the two acetyl-CoA, and these acetyl-CoA enter into the Krebs cycle. It entered into the Krebs cycle. This process is known as the glycolysis. This is the step of glycolysis. It is a process is known as the Krebs cycle. So in the question they have asked how many molecules of ATP will generated in Krebs cycle. So firstly we will see about the glucose, then we will come to sucrose. So from glucose in the Krebs cycle, if we will see, total 24 molecules are being formed, 24 ATP that are being synthesized from a Krebs cycle from one molecule of glucose. Because one molecule of glucose formed the 2 pyruvate and 2 acetyl-CoA, one acetyl-CoA formed 12 ATP, and then second acetyl-CoA will again enter into the Krebs cycle. It will form total 24 ATP. Now in the statement they have talked about the sucrose. So if we'll see the sucrose chemical composition, sucrose, it is a disaccharide which is made up of glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Now glucose, it will undergo Krebs cycle, it will form the 24 ATP. Right here we have already shown to from one molecule of glucose 24 ATPs are being formed. That is 24 in a Krebs cycle. Fructose, it will converted into fructose 6-phosphate. It will converted into fructose 6-phosphate. This fructose 6-phosphate, it will enter into the glycolysis. It will enter into the second step of glycolysis from glucose to glucose 6-phosphate. Then fructose 6-phosphate is being formed, and then again whole pathway continue from fructose 6-phosphate to 2 pyruvate molecule, then 2 acetyl-CoA, and then again 24 ATPs are formed. 24 are formed by glucose, and then similar, because it follow the same pathway, 24 ATPs are also formed by fructose, because fructose will enter into the glycolysis. So total number of ATP that were produced in a Krebs cycle, that is 48 when a molecule of sucrose is being oxidized. So in only Krebs cycle, they haven't talked about the glycolysis or pyruvate deep carboxylation. So they have asked about only in Krebs cycle, only from Krebs cycle, one molecule of sucrose when oxidized, it will form the 48 number of ATP. So here we will see option is 24. This is incorrect, 48 correct, 2 incorrect, and 30 incorrect. Option B is correct. Hope you get it. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.